Allison and
Haley.
And today we're going to open LABUBU. The Havasu LABUBU is the ones that are sitting, and the other ones, like the macaroons or the biggest energy one, are standing. And there's 6 of them in here. Let's open it. So
Let's open these 2.
yeah, let's take them out.
Ugh.
Now we're
I'm
gonna
gonna open the box.
our LABUBU boxes. Let's go. Are you excited?
Are you opening it again?
Here, I'll help you. You need help? Yeah, like that. Now it's my turn to open it.
It doesn't feel like ZZ.
Oh, now I'm gonna open mine. Let's go.
Dada. Yeah, it feels like Dada or the secret rare.
Now we're gonna open our bags. Let's
Go.
go. I'm so excited, guys. Let's go. Oh, guys, I got Dada. It's so cute.
Now I'm gonna open my LABUBU. Let's go.
Are you so happy, Haley?
I love
This is what it looks like.
Easy.
And now we're gonna show you guys our cards. I got Dada.
I got these.
Guys, bye. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.